Hi and welcome to another Watch Geek video. Today we're taking a closer look at a very special limited edition G-Shock, the MTG-B2000 XMG, also called Peru or Rainbow Mountain. But a special thank you goes to G-Shock Store EU for supplying this model. I'll leave a link in the description so you can check them out. They do deliver within the European Union. The name of the model comes from a mountain in Peru called Vinicunca, or Rainbow Mountain, because of its unique and colorful look. The colors weren't visible until about a decade ago, when the top layer, which was covered in snow and ice, was melted down. And then oxidation of different layers of minerals created a scene that looks more like it came from a movie or someone's psychedelic dream. It became a popular tourist attraction, but due to the high altitude, you cannot stay there for very long. Casio decided to celebrate this unique geological occurrence by mimicking its colors on the bezel of this watch. To achieve that, they used colored glass fibers that were then fused with carbon and cut out in the necessary shape. The result is not only a very colorful bezel, but also a very unique one, as each one turns out a bit different, meaning no two are alike. This, like I said, is a limited edition model, and that is reflected on the price, as the retail price of $1,150 is already almost impossible to find, while most fetch between $1,500 and $2,500. The initially high retail price is the result of the base watch used for this edition, an MTG. MTG is a premium line of G-Shocks, only a step under the flagship MRG, and it really shows when you handle the watch. Everything on this is high quality. The case with its carbon core guard structure and steel cage, the sapphire crystal, which is one of the clearest I have seen, and even the strap, which you can feel is made out of rubber, way more premium than what we usually find on G-Shocks. The watch just oozes quality, and the only thing ruining a premium feel somewhat is shown under macro, where you can see some rough edges on the seconds hand as well as some dust particles, but these are almost impossible to see with your naked eyes. Function-wise, this is a smartwatch made to my liking, meaning the Bluetooth connectivity is just an option rather than necessity, as it makes setting and using the watch easier, as well as keep it accurate, as the watch will connect your phone daily to always be accurate. What I love is the fact it can work without your phone, so if you despise connecting everything you own to a smartphone, you can still have a fully functioning and accurate watch, as it also features multi-band 6 technology, meaning it will connect to one of the 6 atomic clocks in the world every night to stay accurate. Using your watch like this is a bit more complicated, so I made a detailed tutorial on how to set up and use all the functions without pairing with your phone. You can click on the card in the corner of your screen to check that out. This also makes the watch pretty much future-proof, with a 24-hour stopwatch, 24-hour countdown timer, alarm, and a very intuitive world time function with time zone swap option. It has everything you need and nothing you don't, as I like to say. To make the usage of those functions worry-free, it is also solar-powered, meaning you will never have to change the battery as long as you take care of it by not storing it in complete darkness for long periods of time. Overall, I love the look, feel, and technology of this model, although it is slightly too large for my taste on my 6.7-inch wrist. For that reason, I won't be adding this to my collection, but the quality feel of this thing has made me start thinking about the MRG, as there are models which are smaller while the quality should be even better. So maybe one day in the future you see me unboxing and reviewing the flagship model as well. Well, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed and found it useful. If you did, please like and subscribe, and until the next video, bye.